Everyone's. I know y'all probably like, what's going on with her head? Well, this is my natural hair. Say hello. But we're gonna get right into it here. I'll take it down later, style it, but right now I need it to be sitting up tight in these curls. Do you feel me? And if you don't, there's nothing I can do. Alrighty, today's video is gonna be my very first Boxycharm unboxing video. Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm unboxing. So we're gonna get right into it. Boxycharm is a subscription service, and I decided to go ahead and do this after seeing a million videos on it because it just made sense. I'm tired of going to the store trying to figure out what's new so I can bring it here on my channel, do it, spending all this money when you can get a box of makeup for $25 and I'll go into Ulta and spend like $50 and $60. Just trying to find one product or two. Pushing it with 3 to like do a video on. No. I'm going to pay $25 for this box every month and get new stuff. And that's it. I don't have anything else to say. So if you should really do it. If you're interested in makeup like that and you wanted to keep rolling in, because I just kind of wanted to keep rolling in. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. The first product here, oh, we have a card. The first one here, Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Alrighty, it looks like this. How cute is this? Oh, we didn't have to go to the store. This is great. This is Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. I will not be trying this in this video, obviously, because I'm not about to go to sleep. But if you guys want an update on how this works, let me know because I'm gonna use it. Alright, the next product, I'm just gonna go right to it here. This is the Wanda Beauty. I've never tried Wanda Beauty before, but I know about it. Trip for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo. Prepare for the perfect getaway. Alright, this nice pinky nude packaging. That's cute, right? Let's pull it out here. Beautiful. Let's see what the shades are. Oh, well, they tried. This will never bronze me, ever. But the blush looks slightly promising. And then this is the bronzer shade. Boom. I don't know how. Oh, I wish they had a darker one. Maybe they do. I'm not really sure. Cute. I like the color. I like the blush color. That's pretty. Alrighty, moving on to the next product. This is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover, concealer. What color do they think I am? Whoa. Let me, hold on. Pause this video. Let me go into my email and make sure I put the right information in there. How? Okay, all is well. It turns out that when I did my subscription, I did not do the complexion quiz. I only did the beauty quiz. So now that I've done the complexion quiz, all future boxes should be at least close to the beautiful chocolatiness that I have going on in my life. Be it this. Next product, we have a mascara. I'm excited about that because I've been using the same one for years. This is the Grande Cosmetics Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara. Let me check out this one. Let's see what this brush looks like. Oh, looks good. Okay. The next one is, this is a palette by Ace Beauty, Vintage Dawn. Oh my goodness. Girl. We're going to tear that up. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do an eye look. Feel free to watch. I'm going to speed this up. Do an eye look with this beautiful palette. And look at my shirt. It kind of coordinates. And we're going to get down to the nitty gritty. Okay, so I did a quick eye look. Very warm, very sunsetty. I'm feeling it. These shadows, I'm really feeling it. Okay, let's proceed. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and put on mascara. And this is a new mascara that was in the box by Grande Drama. And let's see how this works. Okay, after using the mascara, it is okay. It's a mascara. It is applying product to my lashes. It is separating my lashes well. But I do have to say that my L'Oreal Telescopic and the Lash Paradise does better. It thickens them more and lengthens them more. This does separate, and like I said, things are on my lashes, but those work better. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in and add lashes, go ahead and put on my base. We are going to try this blush out just to see what happens. With the concealer, I actually used this to prime my eyelid before I put the shimmers on, and it worked pretty well for that. Probably going to have to just add this to my kit for like makeup later, but of course I won't be able to use this on my face. It is way too light. So give me a second here. I'll put on my base and then we'll finish it out. Okay, so we have the base on, and now we're going to get into this blush here. Trick for Two by Wanda Beauty called Daiquiri. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush here. Doesn't look like too much is coming up, but oh, I see it. I see that immediately. Okay. Oh. Oh. Pretty. Oh my goodness, I love that. It's pretty. Let me just hug it with some bronzer. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. It's very, even to touch, it's really buttery and really like silky smooth. I wouldn't say creamy because it's not a cream blush, obviously, but it is creamy. It is very matte. There is no sheen in it. So I'm here for this blush looking good on dark skin too. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go in and highlight right quick with my classic. Looks like it's gonna be a good makeup day, a good skin day, a good selfie day. Can I get an amen? Amen. We don't have a lip product, so I think we're done. We have used all of the products. Let me throw on a lip and then I'll be right back, and then we'll talk about the beauty of these products. All right. Let's do it. Get to it. Let's get started talking about these products. I want to first start with the mascara. It's okay. It's mascara. I don't really put too much critique on mascaras. I find that I complain the most when I'm not wearing lashes one day and I just really need my mascara to be popping because I don't want to wear lashes. So I just need it to do great things. That's the only time. But this, it's a mascara. It does what a mascara is supposed to do. It just doesn't do it as well as the drugstore mascara that I use every day. I mean, you know, it is what it is. It's not a bad mascara. It's just not the best. We can all be the best. Children, we can. I have to redo the angle here. Now you can just see all my business. Look at all my business. Look at all my business. Look, it is what it is. So moving on to the blush and bronzer duo. Obviously, okay, there's a little discrepancy because I didn't do the complexion test. All right, shoot me. But this blush, I'm using this blush. I'm using it tomorrow because I have somewhere to go. That's that. I am curious to see what this does under my eye because I'm a firm believer in products doing other things in place of another product that is technically not supposed to do. I'm here for that. Am I the only one who gets excited about that? It's just me. Raise your hand. Maybe I'll use this under my eye one day and let you guys know what happened. Not today though, because I don't want to ruin what's going on here. It's a good makeup day, okay? Do you know what I'm saying without me saying it? Just tell me. Tell me. These shadows are amazing, but these are beautiful. I did not wet the brush before I put the shimmers on my eye. All I did was prime a little eyelid with this stuff right here. Took a brush, swiped it on top, and this is what it looked like. I didn't even put my brush back in the thing more than once. These are two shades. Darkened it up with the outside shade. And speaking of this dark brown shade here that's giving me smoke, I also used it to contour for my cheekbones. Chef's kiss. Beautiful. This was my favorite thing, obviously, clearly. How much is it worth? Let me add it up right quick. Where's my phone? Give me the phone. Where's the card? Give me the card. The Pretty Vulgar Concealer is $25. The eyeshadow palette is $34.99. The Blush and Bronzer Duo is $36, and these are all full-size products. The Sleeping Mask is $22. And the Grande Cosmetics Mascara is $25. I paid $25, and the price of the box is $143. I'm happy with the box today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I'll be giving you these every month because a box comes every month for $25. Just saying. So thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you in my next video. Oh, and by the way, my lip color is Ashton by Anastasia Beverly Hills, the liquid lipstick. And then I lined it with the same thing I use in my brow. Oh, my top is from Shein. How cool, right? All right, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.